Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will make a delicious dessert that your family and friends will relish at every occasion. In this video, I will show you the detailed steps, tips and things to avoid to master the art of making the perfect dessert. Our recipe for today is delicious caramel bread pudding. Step 1. Preparing the milk. In a heavy bottom pan, take 1 liter of full cream milk. Boil it on medium heat. Add 8 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Or if you have vanilla extract, you can use that too, but reduce the quantity. If you prefer, you can also use half teaspoon of cardamom powder or nutmeg powder instead of vanilla. Add 1 pinch of salt. Mix well. Stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Once the milk starts to rise, turn off the heat. Step 2. Preparing the bread mixture. Take 200 grams of sliced bread and add it in a bowl. We use the sides of sliced bread, which are generally cut and discarded, and yet we got amazing results. Pour about half the quantity of hot milk in the bowl with the bread pieces in it. You can also use regular bread or pound. Make small pieces of the bread or sliced bread. Let the bread soak the milk.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Then add the remaining milk. Check for sweetness and add sugar as per your taste. Cover and keep it aside for at least half an hour to enable the bread to soak the entire milk. Step 3. Preparing the caramel. On low heat, in a thick bottom pan, add 5 tablespoons of sugar. Please do not add any water. Do not stir with a spoon. Just swirl the pan around and try to melt the sugar. Keep swirling the pan occasionally until all the sugar melts completely and the color becomes golden brown. Also keep in mind that the caramel turns at least 1 to 2 shades darker even after you take it off the heat, so take it off earlier. Now you can help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also enjoy our detailed step-by-step Goan recipes. Once it is golden brown in color, take it off the heat immediately or else it may become dark and taste bitter. While the caramel is hot, immediately pour it in a round baking bowl around 8 inches in size. Spread the caramel evenly around the base. Once done, keep it aside and let it cool for at least 15 minutes. This is important because if you pour the pudding mixture directly into the baking dish before it has cooled down, the caramel will leave the bottom and mix with the pudding. Step 4. Preparing the bread pudding. Take 4 eggs in a bowl. Whisk the eggs nicely.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Once done, the egg mixture is ready. In a mixer grinder or food processor, add the bread mixture. Then add the egg mixture. Blend it to a smooth paste. Bread pudding mixture is ready. Pour the bread pudding mixture in the bowl containing the caramel. The bread pudding mixture is now ready to be baked. Step 5. Baking the caramel bread pudding. We will use the water bath method as this will give you the best results. In a baking tray or bowl, fill hot water to cover quarter height of the tray or bowl. Place the bread pudding bowl carefully in the tray containing the hot water. Bake this pudding in the center of a preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for around 1 hour or depending on your oven. You can also prepare this caramel bread pudding using the steaming method. Once baked, remove and place it on a stand. Insert a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, the caramel bread pudding is ready. Or else bake it for some more time until it is completely ready. After baking, let it cool down to room temperature. Then you can serve it immediately, but it is best to cover and keep it in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours before serving it chilled. To unmold, run a knife carefully around the edge of the bread pudding. Cover the bread pudding with a plate. Hold tight and turn the dish upside down. Carefully lift up the bowl. Perfectly delicious caramel bread pudding is ready to be served. You can enjoy this caramel bread pudding either hot or cold, at tea time, or as a dessert after lunch or dinner. If you have any suggestions, questions, or feedback, please write to us in the comments section as we would love to hear from you. Do let us know if you liked this video and see you soon with another interesting Goan recipe. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe. God bless you all.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.